In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to receive and pay for inventory in QuickBooks Desktop. We'll walk through the full process, starting with receiving inventory, then entering the vendor bill if needed, and finally paying that bill. This workflow is important because it helps keep your inventory quantities accurate, while also making sure your accounts payable records stay organized and up to date. Start from the QuickBooks Desktop home screen and click the Receive Inventory drop-down. Here you'll choose between Receive Inventory with Bill if you already have the vendor's invoice, or Receive Inventory without a bill if the products have arrived but the invoice has not. Choosing the correct option matters because it affects whether QuickBooks records both the inventory and the payable at the same time, or just the inventory receipt first. In the vendor window, select the vendor's name from the drop-down list. If QuickBooks asks whether you want to receive against open purchase orders, click Yes. Then check the correct purchase order and click OK. This step links the receipt to the original order, which helps ensure accuracy and gives you a clear trail from purchase order to receipt to payment. Next, carefully verify the quantities received, the unit costs, and the date. This is a good point to slow down and compare what's in QuickBooks with the packing slip or invoice you received from the vendor. Catching differences here can prevent inventory and accounting errors later. Once everything looks correct, click Save and Close. If you originally received the inventory without a bill, the next step is to enter the bill for those received items. Go to the Vendors menu and click Enter Bill for received items. Choose the vendor name, then check the box for the corresponding item receipt from the pop-up list and click OK. QuickBooks will use that receipt to create the bill, which helps avoid duplicate data entry and keeps your records connected. Now verify the bill details, including the date, the reference number from the vendor's invoice, and the amount due. These details are especially important for tracking due dates, matching documents, and keeping your payables records clean. After reviewing everything, click Save and Close. When you're ready to pay the vendor, go to the Vendors menu and select Pay Bills. From the list, select the bill or bills you want to pay, then set the payment date and choose the payment method, such as check or credit card. Make sure the payment date matches when the payment is actually being made, since that affects your financial records. Finally, click Pay Selected Bills and then click Done. That's how to receive and pay for inventory in QuickBooks Desktop from start to finish.